Okay, so what we want to do is basically you should probably see some position time data. Let's just use that as an example. Right here is that time that you waited before you released the car speeding up, and then this is the point after the car was caught. What we want to do here, the goal is in order to enhance the success of our analysis of data is kind of eliminate what's happening before the release and what's happening after it's caught. And essentially we want to end up with a graph that looks like this. So to do that, you want to kind of examine the data. If I look at the velocity graph, I can see that I have a whole bunch of zeros here, very 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then when we get about here, this is where the data really, the car gets released. So I want to eliminate all of this data. So what I'm going to do is go to my time column and eliminate everything all the way down to 0.65. I'm going to go up to edit, and I'm going to strike through those data cells. And that basically is going to eliminate everything that happens before that. And then if I keep going, I'm going to go to where the velocity goes back down to 0 again, and we can see that that happens right here on the 55th data point or so. So I'm just going to grab that, and I'm going to highlight all the rest of the data all the way to the end. This may take a while because there's a lot of data that got collected, and I'm going to strike through all of that. So I'm just kind of highlighting. Takes a little bit of time. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to hit edit, edit, and strike through those data cells. So now the key part is we want to create a new calculated column, and I called it T new. So notice here this number 0.7. I basically want to reset my time axis and shift it by 0.7 seconds, and everybody else is going to have a different number to do this. So I called it T new, and I pulled it up here. T new, units of seconds, and basically I took my time axis and I shifted it by 0.7 seconds. So that's going to do it. I'm going to hit done. And then, let's see, before if I had it graph versus time, it's going to be shifted like that. But now if I graph it versus T new, and I auto scale from 0, there we go. Now we have this beautiful line that is just showing the car speeding up for 0. And the net effect is that it's going to do the same thing as long as you graph that versus T new for your velocity graph, and your position graph, you'll have to kind of look at the same thing there. All right, that's it. Good luck.